If your life feels completely out of control and you just don't know what to do, you don't know where to start, you have a million things that you need to do, and you're just completely stuck in paralysis, I want to give you just a few simple and easy tips, a few actionable things that you can do today to start gaining some sort of control over your life. So one of the reasons why you feel this way is because you have too many open loops. So open loops are unfinished tasks, undecided plans, unprocessed emotions. They're things in your brain that just are not settled yet. They create anxiety. Your brain doesn't know what to do with these things. It's like when you open up the browser in your phone, when you go to your internet browser and you have like 50 tabs running at once, your brain is processing so many things at once that it can't latch onto any one thing and actually make progress. Solution number one, start making decisions. Decisions equal direction. Direction equals momentum. Even if you make a bad decision, you at least are getting some sort of information from that you can then continue to act on. You can pivot. A bad decision isn't so bad. A bad decision is better than just sitting in analysis paralysis. Use the 2-minute rule. If you can make a decision in 2 minutes, do it. If you can decide what to eat, if you could decide where to go, if you could decide what to do in an email, just do it. Do it in those 2 minutes. Decide. Don't waste so much mental energy on small things. Save that mental energy for the bigger things. This is the reason why entrepreneurs, people like Steve Jobs, they'll wear the same thing every single day so they avoid decision fatigue. And the 2-minute rule will make you forced to go with your gut. Step number 2, start closing the open loops. Every single open loop in your brain is an opportunity for anxiety. It's like the notifications on your phone. These things are just pinging around in your brain randomly. You have no control over them, and you can't even act upon them because there's too many things going on at once. Do a brain dump. Take all of your ideas, all of your decisions, all of your appointments, all of your anxieties. Write these things down. Get them out of your head. Get them onto a piece of paper. Get them onto the notes app in your phone, your computer, Google Docs, wherever you want to put them, but put them somewhere so you don't have to keep mentally keeping them in your head. And then you can start strategically deciding what to do with each of these tasks. Should you delete it? Is it something that's really that important? Does this need to get done? Is this so important that it should be taking up space in your brain? Is this something that you can delegate? Is this something that you can easily give to someone else who can do it? Maybe they can even do a better job at it. You don't need to do everything. Is this something that you can schedule for later? Is this something that can wait? Or is this something that you absolutely need to do now? Putting these things in some sort of order is going to help you get them out of your brain and allow you to start acting upon these things. Solution number 3, the one thing rule. When you're completely overwhelmed, just ask yourself, what is the one thing that I can do now that will make a big difference? Sometimes it's as simple as just sending an email or cleaning off your desk. And if you could do that one thing, you'll get a bit of dopamine because you'll feel a little bit of accomplishment. And sometimes that little bit of accomplishment on one task is enough to keep you going and continue and doing more tasks down the line. If you've been watching my videos, you'll know I struggle with 2 things, sleep and focus. And I recently tried a product called Magic Mind that's been helping me with both of those things. The sleep elixir helps me fall asleep, stay asleep longer, and wake up just a little bit more refreshed, and a little bit goes a long way in my world. And the mental performance shot helps you stay focused throughout the day, gives you a little bit of an edge, a little bit more energy, just to help you get through. Definitely gives you a little bit of a boost. It's been working for me. If you want to try it out, if you want to learn more, you can check out some of my other videos where I talk about these products. And if you want to try it out, they gave me a special code for 45% off so you can try both of these products. It's definitely worth a try to see if it works for you. Go to magicmind.com/SYCHEDUPJAN to get 45% off. Try them out, come back, write in the comments, let me know how it goes. So when life feels chaotic, when you don't know what to do, remember, make decisions, close the open loops, and focus on one thing at a time. Focusing on one thing at a time will go a long way, trust me. So if you made it to this point in the video, thank you so much. If you can subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, leave a comment below, it would mean so much to me. And if you're struggling to find your purpose in life, I have another video. I'll link it right here. It'll be somewhere on the screen. Give that a watch. I think it can really help. And again, thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon.